Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
It is time! It's time for the lightning round. And then the lightning round's over. Are you ready, Ski Dad? Time for the lightning round. Let's start with Josh in New York. Josh!
Booyah, Jimmy Chill. Big fan of your show. I've been watching since I was 15, which was 15 years ago.
Whew.
I want to give a quick shout out to AJL in Miami and Rouge in Toronto. My question today is about Berkshire Hathaway, which has underperformed the S&P by about 20%.
It has, and I feel bad. You know, Marcus Best has been crummy. Coca-Cola just okay. Wells Fargo been a big disappointment. It is not setting up as being a great time for Berkshire. I don't want to bet against the great one, but that portfolio is not a great portfolio. But he cares a lot about taxes, and therefore he's not going to make a change. Let's go with, and did buy Apple right. Let's go to Ron in New York. Ron.
Booyah from Staten Island.
All right.
Jim, I'm frustrated with this stock, and I need the professor to tell me if I should keep or dump Sirius XM.
Look, people are buying cars again, and they're buying used cars again. I think you're fine. Remember, that's the delta on that, so I think you're all right. Let's go to Seth in Massachusetts. Seth.
Hey, Jim. Shout out to my buddy Austin Lazar on this one. What are your thoughts on Nokia here?
Nokia, actually, I met with the team for Action Alerts Plus. My team, I said, listen, maybe it's time that we kind of dust it off and look at it again. I think Nokia's got a lot of good things coming. I like your idea. Leanne in Florida. Leanne.
Hi, Jim. How are you?
I am good. How about you?
Great. Hey, I'm in Beyond Meat at 145. Should I add
remember, we don't care where we got in. We care where it's going to. Now, here's what's going on with Beyond. They're cutting price in order to be able to take share. They've got meat on the ropes here. Now, I know a lot of people feel the service stream is going to hurt them. That's nonsense. I think you hold on to Beyond Meat, buy some a couple points lower. Ed in Connecticut. Ed.
Jimbo.
No.
Booyah.
No.
I'm calling you about Inseego.
Yeah, we like these guys. A frequently asked company. I mean, it's a 5G play. Is it as good as Marvell when it comes to 5G? No. Is it as good as Skyworks? Marvell up $1.50. I mean, what did I tell you? Is it as good as Skyworks Solutions? No. But it's okay. Let's go to John in Tennessee. John.
Hey, booyah, Jim.
John.
Thanks for having my call. I'm a first-time caller, and I got a little bit of a conundrum.
Okay.
And to call on your more than 25 years of accumulated market wisdom. What do you think about Ford since they partnered with Volkswagen and looking to create, design, develop EV cars?
I'm a balance sheet guy, John, and they got a bad one. And I'm not interested in buying a $6 stock if the balance sheet behind it is $6 worthy, so to speak. So I'm going to have to say no to that one. Let's go to Justin in Massachusetts. Justin.
Booyah, Mr. Cramer. Thanks for having me on. Huge fan of the show.
Thank you.
My question for you is, what are your outlooks on Vaxart stock, considering its oral vaccine for COVID-19 was recently selected by Operation Warp Speed?
Yeah, I mean, look, this thing is a Robinhood favorite. 93 million shares traded, and put it there, and look. How about this? This is a huge long shot, and I know a lot of people are saying, you know what, it's going to double. But now, here's what I want to tell you: the stocks today. They could run this thing to 16 just on hope, all right? So I don't want anyone to say I kept you out of it. I do want you to know that it is a long shot. Long shots sometimes come in. I used to be a big ponies guy, but long shots don't usually come in. But I understand people want to buy it today at 8, now flip it to somebody else tomorrow at 10, flip it to the next guy at 12. That's not my style. I want to be in the best possible, and that's not the best possible. Let's go to Wendy in Missouri. Wendy.
Booyah, Jim. How you doing?
I am good. How about you, Wendy?
I'm doing great. Just running in between raindrops. I want to get an idea. I've only been investing for a few months, and I'd like to get your opinion on Anheuser-Busch.
I don't think it's good. It's down 40%. It's not what I want. I'd rather see you in Pepsi. They get diversified. You also get the snacks besides the drinks. It's a better stock. Constellation Ports Mars. Let's see what's going to happen there. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.